Hi, my name is Rakesh Kumar and I work with OSSCube as VP Technology. In next few minutes, I will be demonstrating Mobilizer, a Drupal module that we have created which allows any Drupal 7 site to be mobile ready within a span of few minutes. This module can be downloaded from the Drupal.org site. The name of the module is Mobilizer. The URL is drupal.org/project/mobilizer. Once you install this module on your Drupal site, it should show up as a tab in the main menu. So I'll click on this tab and you should see this interface. So we'll start from here. We'll talk about how this module can be configured in a span of few minutes to make your Drupal 7 based site be mobile ready. So click on Start Mobilizer. It will show the list of layouts that are available in the module. As part of the module, we have created certain predefined layouts which will define how the final layout on your mobile device will show up. The first layout is the list view, which shows up as how you see in the preview section. All the menu items of your site shows up in the list view. The second option is matrix. This option makes all the menu items show up as a matrix instead of the list view that we saw in the first option. Third option is expandable. In this option, the menu items don't show up but come up as an expandable option in the top right corner. You can see in the preview. So in this demonstration, we'll choose the matrix layout and we click on proceed to go to the next step. The next step allows us to select the menu that we want to work with. For each group, you can define the individual menu items. Like in this case, we have created one more menu group, which is top menu, which has 3 menu items. If you want to select this, you can click on apply, and that will allow this menu to be selected. Now this is the menu item which will come up in the final published site for the mobile device. Then we click on proceed. The next page shows all the menu items and allows us to edit those individual menu items. This home can be changed to something else, or the portfolio can be renamed. So for that, you can do that. Click on edit and change it to any different name and it will come up in the mobile front end. We'll let it be for now and proceed to the next, which will allow us to edit the pages. So these are the 3 pages which are pointed by the specific menu items. We can choose to edit any of those pages. You can click on edit. You can choose to edit the page content by clicking on this and modifying it. Now the same page content is shown for the web front end as well, but you can choose to modify that and shorten it or show a summarized view for your mobile front end. For this purpose, we have created a copy for you. Once you deploy this module, the entire copy of the web content is created for the mobile content, including all the menu items. So any change you make here will not mess up your web content. It will only show up on the mobile front end. You can make any modification here and click on save and then proceed to the next step. Now the next step is the styling option for the mobile front end. The default styling is the styling of your web front end. So at the time of module deployment, we make a copy of some of the options from your web style sheet and make the same available for the mobile front end. But you can always change them from this interface. So you can click on the color palette, one of the options, and click on customize, which allows you to modify the color schema of your mobile front end. So you can choose to change the background color of the header from here, the text color, the navigation bar, and the link color from here, and site background. All these options can be modified from here if you want. Once done, you can click on done and then click on proceed. The next option allows us to change the header of the site for the mobile device. You can choose to change the logo, the background color again, or you can change the whole header and choose not to use an image but have text instead. So whatever text you write here will be shown up in the header of the mobile front end. For this, we will let it be the image itself and click on proceed. And that completes the deployment for this module. Simple and easy, few clicks, few steps, and makes your Drupal 7 site be mobile ready. Now you can point any of your handheld device to this URL and see how the site looks. You can always go back and modify any of the options that we discussed. So if you don't like what you see, you can just go back to the menu and edit it, or go back to the layout, select a different layout and proceed. Go back, choose a different menu, apply and proceed. Leave the rest of the item as it is, proceed. Don't make changes in the style and publish. So you can play with this, play with many options, change the options as you like, and you can keep publishing it as many times as you want. I hope this demo was useful to you. Thanks so much for going through this demo, and for any question, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be very happy to respond. Thanks so much.